Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Squarespace for your dropshipping business, detailed guide step by step clearly. To deploy Squarespace for your dropshipping business, start by visiting the Squarespace website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the setup process. Choose a template that aligns with your brand and product offerings. After selecting a template, create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to the site editor. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available customization options. Begin customizing your chosen template by clicking on the Design tab. Adjust the site's color palette and fonts to match your branding. Add your logo to the header by clicking on the Header section. To create product pages, go to the Pages tab in the left sidebar. Select the Products section and click on Add Product. Choose physical or digital based on your dropshipping offerings. Fill in the product details, including name, description, and pricing. Upload high-quality images to showcase your products effectively. Link your products to your dropshipping supplier by entering their information. Configure inventory settings to reflect stock levels from your supplier. Next, set up payment methods by navigating to the Commerce tab. Choose the payment processors you want to use, such as PayPal or Stripe. Ensure your tax settings comply with your business requirements. After configuring payment, move on to set up shipping options. Navigate to the shipping section and enter the shipping rates and methods that fit your business model. Now, customize your site's navigation for easy user experience. Arrange the menu items to highlight essential sections like Home, Shop, and Contact. To enhance SEO, go to the Marketing tab. Add relevant keywords and descriptions for each product and page. Create a blog section to engage with customers and showcase industry insights. Test the functionality by using the preview feature to experience the customer journey. Once satisfied with your setup, click on the settings icon in the sidebar. Review your site's information and make any necessary adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.